Alright, it's your girl, Elo for Life, and y'all know what time it is. So today is another review of some crochet passion twists I'm getting ready to put into my hair. So the first thing I wanted to do is show you all my pattern and what I use as the base for installing these passion twists. And for what I can say, I did flat iron my hair. I did wash, clean it real good, flat iron it, and I put the front part of my hair into like these individual plaits, and I braided it back into, as I was going back, I braided it back into the other plaits. Now there's a lot of YouTube videos that show you how to do this. What I did differently this time that what I have done before is I did not use any rubber bands, because the rubber bands does put tension on your hair and it can definitely hurt. So me doing it this way, I felt like it was the best option for me. And as you can see my pattern. I think I had about 19 individual little plaits in the front, 17 to 19, I can't remember, but in the back and on the side I also put some individual plaits, as you can see, and I just braided it into, as you can see in the middle, is braided going back. The middle section is braided down. And I like doing it this way because I don't have a lot of tension on my hair. And it looks so nice and neat. And because I flat ironed it and everything before doing this, you can see those parts are really nice and neat. I just use like a little bit of edge control, and I will do a view of the edge control that I use in a different video. But that looks so perfect, looks so clean, and it just cleans up the parts very well. So I was really happy doing it this way, as you can see. So I just want to give you all different views, and so you all can actually see how it's done, but you can look at other YouTubers as well. So oops, I had it upside down, y'all. So this is Tiana's Passion Twist. A 20-inch is, believe, what I have purchased, and I can tell you what, you get about 12 to 13 passion twists in each packet. You get 8 packs of these things. So my goal for the style that I'm doing is I did not want a lot of passion twists in my hair, because the density and the size of these passion twists are like medium size. So I didn't want to be looking like a, I don't know, I just didn't want to have too many passion twists in my hair, because I just didn't want too much. That'd be too much. Now, one thing I can say about these passion twists, that they are soft. They don't have any type of film or chemical on them whatsoever, and they are absolutely gorgeous. They are shiny. And at the time of me recording this video, I would have had these in my hair in 3 weeks by now, before I put this video out. And I have them in my hair now, and I'm telling you, the passion twists, they hold up so well, and I'll be able to take these down and reuse them again. So at this point, as you can see, I think I've had about 3 packs of hair in my head so far, and this is what 3 packs has gotten me. So as you can see, not too much in the front, and I did add a little bit more passion twist in the front for the parts where I have braided and connected the other braids together. But overall, this is what the style turned out to be. I had actually used a total of 5 and somewhat 5.5 packs. So like I said before, I didn't want too many passion twists, because I think that it looked too crazy if you had too many, especially based on this size of passion twist. And it's just me showing different ways, flipping it over. And what you don't see in this video is that I added a few more passion twists in the front, just to cover up some spaces that I felt like needed to be covered up. But like I said, you don't see that in this video, because my whole purpose and goal is to really wear this up in a ponytail style. One, I'm not used to long passion twists, or crochet hairstyle. So this is the longest I've ever done, was a 20-inch, and I'm used to doing somewhere around like a 12-inch, maybe a 14-inch. So 20-inch was a bit stretch, but overall I do love how they came out. It's exactly what I was looking for. The passion twists are not heavy at all, and I would definitely repurchase the hair again from Toyotress. And this is an Amazon store, you all. And a lot of people have done reviews on these Tiana passion twists. I have also brought some other type of crochet hair from them before, and this is the reason why I brought from them again, because I absolutely love this company. I can vouch for this company. The hair lasts for a while, so even when I do take them out, clean them, I can reuse them again. So it's definitely worth your money on purchasing from them. And this is not a paid promotion either. I did buy this with my own money, because I know some people will vouch for a company just because they paid them to promote their stuff. No, everything that I'm doing on my channel, I pay for it myself. Now, if I didn't pay for it myself, I will definitely let you all know that I did not purchase it, that it's sponsored, but it's not sponsored. And that's just me trying different things with my hairstyle, with my hair. Absolutely love it. And that's enough. I think that's thick enough for me. Some people may want more, but I didn't want more. And I only added like maybe about 4 or 5 more passion twists in the front to cover up a little bit of some of those gaps a little bit. But other than that, the hair is absolutely fabulous. I would recommend this company to anybody that are looking for some crochet passion twists. They were easy to install. When I did my base, I think the longest it took for me was actually doing the base of my hair, which is probably about an hour for me to do my base, hour and a half. But installing the passion twists themselves, it took me less than an hour to get these in. So other than that, thank you all, and you all, God bless. You all stay safe out there in these streets, and I will see you all in my next video. Rate, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell.